Again, these are the puppies. They'll be 3 weeks old. Hayden's puppies. They'll be 3 weeks old on Wednesday. Up and walking. Still sleeping probably 90% of the time. Making little squeak sounds. They're getting noisy. Try to take a little bit of video of each one. Sometimes when they're moving around, 11 of them's kind of hard to make sure I get everybody. But right here we've got, let's see, tan ribbon and white stripe. And white stripe is actually on top of peach stripe. Red ribbon, aqua ribbon, peach ribbon, blue ribbon, green ribbon, Yoshi. That's aqua ribbon. And then that's aqua stripe actually. I said aqua, but that's aqua stripe and aqua. And then pink ribbon here rolling around. Bridge, we have one that got away into the kitchen. Could you come get this puppy out of the kitchen? I have the gate down and one just wandered away while I was taking the video.